Now we're gonna mix. Hi kids, it's me Rohan and we're gonna open a new box. It's an experiment box. And look at here, it's so big. Let's open it and see. I can't open it that way, but I can open it. I think my daddy buys it before even I tell. We need this and this, and this and this and this and this and this and this and this. So all the things are out now. Oh, something fell in the ground. Let me arrange all these things and come back. And this is the old stuff. Remember, safety first. Wear your glasses. And let's wear them. So these are the glasses I'm wearing. So they're safety. So these are the fundies we have. And these are the balloons. And these are the spoons. And these are test tubes. I don't know what is this. And we had the book. And hey kids, we're ready for the experiment. We mix these in that. And more, and more, and more. And let's mix it together. It turned red. And we add another color like blue. And we put this water and let's mix it together. And we add yellow color now. And let's mix it together. And now we had three colors. We had yellow, blue, red. We're gonna mix it and do magic. And now we're gonna mix. And we're gonna put them right there. Now let's do it like this. And more. And more. It makes green. You know, blue and yellow makes green. We're gonna make other colors like yellow and blue and red. We're gonna add it inside it. Let's add red. Red is my favorite color. It's purple. And let's put red in the cup. We're gonna put yellow and red. And look, it turned orange. Now we're gonna mix all the colors. We had this. And we add this. What is this? What color is it? And blue. What is this color? Black. Blue, yellow, makes green. Red and yellow makes orange. And blue and red makes two purple. Yellow, red, blue makes black.